And before we begin with the video about bagging the Stagea, subscribe to the channel, like the video because there's a lot of updates on the cars coming soon. And if you like stand stuff, why not? It's free. And I want to let you guys know I currently have a giveaway going on for the ALP4 management, $1,000 or brand new BR Series Coilovers. So if you want to enter, it is going to be the first link in the description. It's the digital purchase for $18 for the image. And that will get you entered for a chance to win either one of those three, whichever you decide to pick. So now let's get on to the video. Today, we're gonna start the process of bagging the Nissan Stagea. We have all brand new FLYYAIR struts for it, and we are gonna be installing.
Custom. It's completely custom. Nobody makes struts for this. Just know that. Nobody. We did the research.
It's getting FLYYAIR, and it's getting the brand new Airlift 4P management. This is what I'm really excited for. I think I want to switch the Type R to this because it's touchscreen, a little bit more up to date, and you know, they always say newer is better. Gabe is excited. Can you guys tell why?
Finally converted.
$1,700 later.
No, not that much.
So obviously you're gonna get all four wheels. I'm just supervising, by the way, because that's my best position. Supervising. So he's gonna get all four wheels off. We had to measure everything to make sure because nobody makes a kit for this. Hopefully we measured everything right and it should be A1. All right, Gabe, how confident are you in the measuring that we did?
Let's see. Pretty confident. Like a fucking glove. Tying that.
And it lines up perfect. You can't tell on camera, but there's a groove there where the bolt goes. Oh, fronts are good. Oh, wait. Fronts are 50% good because they're still missing the top. So 50% good.
First black Stagea? Not first. First in the US.
First in the US.
I mean, there's only one in the US anyway.
Is there just one though?
All I'm saying is that we did this custom and we did the TSX wagon custom. So if you have a Stagea and you need air, we got you. If you have a TSX wagon and you need air, we got you. Whatever car you need, we got you.
Sorry, I'm a little delayed on my recording.
But it worked.
Top hats, you can kind of see. Oh, you can see this side. Lined up perfectly.
Our measuring skills are A1.
So tops are mounted. Lowers, you guys already saw, fit perfectly. So now just get the height right because this is a spindle. So the upper arm is probably gonna touch the chassis before it's fully laid out. So we'll adjust that appropriately. And basically the front struts are on. So after that, gonna run the rears, make sure everything lines up perfect. And then the fun part for me, which is management. So there we go. Fronts are completely bolted up on both sides. So now Gabe has moved on to the rear. This one we measured and same thing, it should be good. But obviously since everything is fresh measurements and everything, still gotta check it out when we bolt it up.
All right guys, so we got the wrong measurements. I guess I measured this wrong. So this is way too wide for the top mount. So what we're gonna do is drill new holes on it. So we're marking it right here.
It's all trial and error. So now we know where it's supposed to sit, off by a couple millimeters.
So we're gonna drill 2 holes here for washers. It's gonna go up into the chassis perfectly fine.
So after Gabe's new holes, got that nice, we drilled new holes there. It's all adjusted good, bottom mounted good. So all we're missing now is to put the bag and to run the lines and obviously the management, which is not gonna be for today. 50% of the work is done technically, right? Don't forget to set your dampening ever because that's what ruins your stuff and makes your car ride like ass. So, like I said, just rear bag's missing, front is on.
But you're gonna continue this with the 3P, you know?
With the what?
4P.
With the what?
Airlift P.
With the what?
Airlift 4.
ALP4, bro.
Airlift P Performance 4.
ALP4. So all 4 lines are ran. Gonna put the wheels on. Management is not ran, but we're gonna plumb it so we can put air from the compressor to then finish up the install tomorrow with the management, running all the power and stuff. I'm so excited, like I said earlier. So excited to test out this because I want it for my car so bad. I can't wait. This is so fire. There we go, manually airing it up. I don't know if that's front or rear. So they actually hooked up those right side and left side. So we just lifted up the whole right side right now. All right, so day 2 on the Stagea. We're doing some adjustments on the rear because the rear bags were too small. It wasn't giving us the lift that we wanted. It was dropping enough, which we knew that was gonna happen, but it wasn't giving us the lift that we wanted. So we swapped the rear bag for a bigger rear bag instead of a slim one because there's enough space for it, and that's gonna be able to give the car the lift that we want and still have the same drop. So now we're gonna bolt this up, see how high it goes, because the front was good. We adjusted that also to go a little bit lower. So now everything should be up to par for the height that we need. All right, so the rears are adjusted. You see the new height of the shock with the new bag, a little bit lower, and the front should go a little lower too because those shocks were adjusted. So that's maxed out. That's the upper arm hitting the chassis. Management is all connected. The tank is getting filled up. Let me see what it's set to. It should be like 150. See if I can find this easy. Yeah, so it's set to 150, single compressor, that's what we have. Minimum voltage 11, start delay, duty cycle. Cool. So the different on this, you could do like each button to be a different color if you really wanted it that way. It's working.
It's working?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
I think I like crystal, so it's all white. Oh, you could turn it off too. You can do all white, you can do whatever you want. There's a lot of options. All right, so playing with the features a little bit of the new management, it's pretty cool. When you're in manual mode, you can select which bag you want to adjust. So if you want to do just the front, you can do just the front right, rear right. If you want to do corners or just 3 for some reason, you can literally select which ones you want to move. If you want to do all of them, you can do all of them. I think that's pretty dope. That's a cool feature. So rears, fronts, corners, anything. Then presets, obviously the presets are not set up right now and it's not calibrated, so I can't mess with those right now. But looks pretty cool. So we'll do the calibration next once we tidy everything up. Oh, and then you can do like the colors on the background. So let's say if you wanted it to be red, the accent colors. Let's see, it's kind of red. If you wanted the background to be a different color, let's say green. I definitely need this for my car.
So if you guys are familiar with Airlift V2, you guys are familiar with Airlift V2, the old back in the day management, which I had in my side for years. So those, you're able to change the color of the display, which is what they brought to this one. So I feel like they did a mixture of 3P and V2 together and brought it into one unit.
And it's supposedly a lot more accurate, like hitting presets. So now that we're done with Turtle's wagging and bagging it and getting it all done for now, because he has a lot of plans for that car, it's officially gap prep for me. So I was planning on taking a car, but now I'm taking a different car and gonna get a little bit of a different look for gap. So I already started the arrangements to get that car ready. The Type R has been sitting here collecting dust. Everything is a mess around it, but that's not the priority right now. That's probably the next car I'm gonna mess with, like get wheels and stuff like that with. But it's not the priority right now because we have GAT coming. That's a 10-hour drive, so I gotta make sure the car that I'm taking is in tip-top condition. Gotta make sure it's looking good and that it can make the drive because I am driving. I don't have a trailer, I don't have a truck. Gonna be driving the car there. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned for the next one.